Assalamu alaikum everyone, we are from Nouns and we are proud to present Serap. Now Serap will change the lives of 60% of Pakistan's population, our small farmers. Our solution involves selling irrigation water using solar tube wells. Now the reliable and cost-effective supply of irrigation water allows farmers to cultivate 3 crops a year instead of 2 and increases their income by at least 30%. Serap is not just good for all its stakeholders, it's great for its shareholders as well, because we are able to generate a return of at least 43% for our investors. Serap, Khushhali ka Paihwan.
Serap is an integrated solution by its nature. Our mentors helped us in identifying and mitigating operational risks in our business model. As a result, we were able to come up with a more practical operating solution for Serap.
We are Guru Seed Oils from Fatima Jinnah Women University. Inshallah, we Guru Seed Oils plan to explore the potential of Guru, a God-gifted, naturally occurring berry internationally known as sea buckthorn. This berry is native to Gilgit-Baltistan and covers an area of 10,000 hectares of land, yielding approximately 8,000 tons of product. From this yield, an estimated 700,000 liters of sea buckthorn seed oil, having an exportable value of $100 billion, can be extracted. This oil is a well-known ingredient in pharmaceutical, cosmeceutical and nutraceutical products such as medicinal good, food supplements and cosmetics.
Apart from helping us in development of successful business plan, Discover has also helped us in identifying the global market of $7.5 billion of sea buckthorn seed oil and provided us guidance as how to access this market.
We are extremely happy that we will get an opportunity of being incubated at NUST TIC and develop a viable business venture. Thank you, Discover.
We are Sahara Private Limited from NUST. Our product is brain control limb prosthesis. The motivation for this idea came from the fact that each year about 6,000 Pakistanis lose their limbs in traumatic accidents and diseases. Amputation is a very severe physical and psychological trauma. Our product is a fully functional replacement aimed at restoring the lost functionality at 1/10 the price of presently available alternatives. We'll start off with the biomedical industry and eventually expand into robotics and automation. Being engineers, we were very well versed with the technological aspect of this project, but we were not aware from the business side. Discover in this regard helped us fill the void. Exposure to industry and investors coupled with the guidance of able mentors helped us develop this project into a profitable social enterprise. And we are very thankful to the organizers and Discover for providing us with this platform of sharing and nurturing our ideas. And we hope that this will continue over the years and we will see brilliant ideas from students all over Pakistan, inshallah. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Team Soltech from NUST and UET Lahore. The biggest challenge being faced with Pakistan today is the energy crisis. We, Soltech Enterprise, are offering a new and revolutionary product that entraps solar energy into saltwater ponds. This green renewable energy product provides hot water, saving your cost up to 50%. This product not only benefits its customer, it will also enhance the economic stability of the country. We also intend to produce electricity using this product. Soltech promises green and prosperous Pakistan. There are many advanced technological experiments being done all around the world. Discover enabled us to bring those ideas into our local community and to benefit the community in Pakistan. Discover also provided us a platform to introduce our innovative ideas on commercial scale. Thank you, Discover.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, we are Team Helium from NUST. 15% of the entire Pakistani population is infected by hepatitis C. The government spends 5 billion rupees annually for the treatment of these 15%, whereas the requirement is in trillions of rupees. We are going to use our process to reduce the cost from 2,40,000 to 72,000.